Okay, folks, taking a look at a very, very nasty fractional and negative indice equation problem, I would say for A-level pure mathematics, so AS pure maths and A2 pure maths, and also potentially GCSE further maths here, the AQA level 2 spec. Okay, but I don't think this would appear on a GCSE higher tier paper, but it could be for those like grade 90 that are trying to obviously aim for like top marks. Okay, give it a go, if you can actually. If you can't, don't worry about it, But this is obviously aimed at A level actually maths. Okay, so that's to solve 27x minus 2/3 equals 1. Okay, so at first glance here, this actually looks pretty horrible. So step one, I'm going to divide by 27 on both sides. Okay, because my job here is x obviously by itself. We get x to the minus 3/2. Okay, so x power of minus 3/2 minus 3/2 is equal to 1/27. Okay, now here's the key here. What's the opposite of raising something to the power of minus 3/2? That would be the raise here to the power of minus 2/3. The reason for that, guys, is because if I have minus 2/3 to the power of minus 3/2, okay, there's a power to a power, then I multiply, and hopefully you can see that they're going to obviously cross cancel here, and I'm just going to be left with just 1. And then here I'm going to be left here 1/27 to the power of negative 2/3. Okay, so when it's a power to a power, we multiply, so we get x to the power of 6/6, okay, which just goes to 1. So you have x to the 1 or just x, okay, is equal to 1/27 to the power of minus 2/3. So what does this mean actually? So this means we're going to flip it, do the cube root, okay, and then we're going to square the answer. So the cube root of 27 will be 3, and 3 squared is 9. So x is just equal to 3 squared, which is 9. So my solution here to the equation is x is equal to 9. Okay, and that was solving a very nasty and a tricky negative fractional indice equation problem, okay, that I would say is for students here in AS pure maths, or anyone that is on top grade 9 maths that is trying to extend their indices knowledge. Okay, this is quite nasty here, so don't panic here if you're not actually sure. Okay, but this is aimed at predominantly AS pure maths. Okay, so in year 12 and year 13. Okay, revising it or going over it or learning fractional and negative indices. Okay, and revising some of your laws of indices from GCSE math. Okay, so the techniques here that I use here is obviously GCSE materials here, but don't panic here. Okay, obviously the tricky bit is recognizing that the opposite of power of minus 3/2 is raise everything to minus 2/3, because then when it's a power to a power, you multiply minus 3/2 times minus 2/3. Okay, you're timing a fraction here by its reciprocal, and that will always give you 1. Okay, and that's the key message. Sorry, pardon me. Times the number here by its reciprocal, or timing a fraction here by its reciprocal, will always give you 1. So minus 3/2 times 2/3 will indeed give you plus 6/6, which simplifies to 1. Okay, thanks for watching.